So a couple weeks ago, I came out with a video about me installing this water collection system. And a couple of you have been asking, is it doing well with filling up? And yeah, it is. We've only had maybe 3 days of rain and it's already filled up that much. So if this was a regular one of those 55 gallons, I think it would be full, honestly. But because it's 275 gallons, I still got a long ways to go, which is good. So just want to kind of give you guys that update. I still haven't hooked this up yet to my drip irrigation, which is still hooked up over there just because it's not fully filled. I'm gonna let it fill up completely, but it's looking pretty good. I'm happy with it being filled up. It is a little bit dirty of water because, I mean, we hadn't had rain for a while, and so of course the rain, all the dirt on the roof dripped into this, fell into it, so it's dirty. But they also say don't drink this because I guess the roof scales are poisonous, so you don't want that. So anyway, well, thanks for watching, everyone. I've got a couple really big videos that I'm working on right now that take me a little bit of time to edit and go through, but those should be out pretty soon. Until then, I will see you guys on the next video. Now you guys try to escape the daily grind.